Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful product that's perfect for any occasion. Especially Mother's Day CUTPOPUP Hummingbird birthday card. If you're a fan of unique gifts that leave a lasting impression, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's start with why this card stands out. It's not just any ordinary greeting card. It's a 3D pop-up masterpiece featuring a beautiful hummingbird and sunflower design. Hand-assembled by skilled craftsmen, this card exudes charm and intricate detail. It measures 6 inches by 8 inches when folded, making it substantial enough to make a statement yet still easy to handle. What I love about this card is its versatility. Whether it's a birthday, Mother's Day, or any special occasion, it's perfect for creating heartwarming moments. The eco-friendly printing adds to its appeal, ensuring you not only express your feelings but also do so sustainably. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Opening this card is a true delight. It pops up to reveal a stunning hummingbird and sunflower scene. That's sure to captivate anyone who receives it. The level of detail is impressive, and it's clear that a lot of care went into crafting each card. Plus, it comes with a separate note, allowing you to personalize your message further. In terms of quality, CUTPOPUP offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason you're not pleased with your purchase, they're committed to making it right. Which is reassuring when you're buying a special gift like this. Compared to other greeting cards out there, this one truly stands out. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a memorable gift that goes beyond the ordinary, I highly recommend the CUTPOPUP Hummingbird birthday card. Whether it's for a loved one, a friend, or even yourself, this card is a beautiful way to show you care. Don't forget to check the description for the link to purchase yours today.